Hey everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and with me is my awesome co host, John. How's it going today, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing great, thanks. I'm really pumped for today's topic. We're talking about private label supplements, which is super relevant right now.
Right? It's like everywhere you look vitamins, protein powders, it's a whole thing. So let's break it down. What exactly are private label supplements?
So basically, these are products made by one company, but sold under another brand's name. It's a smart move for retailers because they can offer unique products without the hefty manufacturing costs.
Exactly. And it's great for shoppers too. Often, these private label options are more affordable than the big name brands. It's a win win.
Totally. And in the UK, there's been this huge boom in health consciousness. People want to eat better, work out more, and they're looking for supplements to help with that.
And let's not forget, consumers nowadays are super savvy. They want products that match their values, like organic or cruelty-free. It's like they're shopping with their hearts. And if someone's thinking of starting their own supplement line, what should they keep in mind?
Right? So retailers who get that can really capitalize on these trends. It's not just about selling a product, it's about creating a brand that resonates with customers. Well, first, defining your niche is key. Do some market research, pick reliable suppliers, and create an engaging online store. Plus, keep up with trends like gut health and mental wellness.
Sounds like a plan. All right, folks, if you're interested, it's a great time to dive into the world of private label supplements. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.